I mean, we're in Saigon. Here it's relatively cool inside, and we don't have air conditions here, so we have a water cooling system. So basically water ripples down at one end of the factory, and we have big fans on the other side, which is sucking the cool water, the cool air through the air, and that's why we have this nice and comfortable working environment.
So for a typical jeans sewing line, how many operations, like how many stations, how many people?
It really depends on the style, but we have between 35 to 38 people in one sewing line.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then what's the average output range?
550 to 650.